treat. Nope. Nope. You having a good Oh. What you running for? What you running for? What's it? Why are you so scared, Scooby? Don't. Come here. Oh. I'm just on my lap because you want my food. You're just gonna run away from me every other time? Come to Auntie Sevi. Go or don't, I'm not your mom. You would brave it all just for some food, wouldn't you? Treat. You're literally in my lap yesterday. Why? What is this? Come get treats. More treats. Okay. It's alright. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Nobody's gonna look at the sad face. Hey, Popeye. Come in, pirate baby. You don't have to be afraid of anybody. Look how far away I am. Eventually, I'm gonna have to walk over there. But I don't want to scare you. Gotta share this living space. Peekaboo, baby. Hi. Oh, you're gone. Treat. You're gonna make me lose my Disney princess status. You're the only one. Why won't you love me? Ah! Ow! And you run. Okay.